Hello everyone and welcome back to a new episode of Zen Talks. Today we are diving into something really interesting and I think most people will be really interested to know, that is zero code app building. And we are using Zoho's very own AI, Zia, to build an entire application for your business right with just one small prompt. And to explain all of this for you, we have in our studio Mr. Akash from our very own development team. Akash, welcome back to the show. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Hi.
Hello. So what are we doing today?
Today we are creating an application using Zia AI
Okay.
with just a single prompt in Zoho Creator.
Okay. So when you speak about app building, who is this targeted to? Who should ideally build their own apps?
So it is for the mid and small size business.
Okay.
Suppose if you want to create an application for your business, okay, but you don't want to invest in development.
Okay.
So what you can do, if you know the flow, if you know your business, with just a single prompt, you can create an application in Zoho Creator.
Okay. So do they have to know the back end? Do they have to know any form of coding whatsoever to do this?
No, nothing, like zero.
Okay.
If you just give a prompt, it will create everything from its own.
Okay, so when you say prompt, do they have to know? Now prompt engineering is a big thing. Like people are taking courses for prompt engineering so that they can efficiently use their AI. So then it comes to this app building. Do they have to be a prompt engineer? Do they have to be an efficient prompt writer?
No, nothing like that. It's
Okay.
like just a general terms, okay? Like
Okay.
if you suppose if you're using ChatGPT, you're asking a question like normal generally, same like that you can use it here.
So like if I can talk to Zia AI like very casually, like I need this app, add these things,
Yes.
it can do it. Can you give me a quick example also?
Like suppose I have a manufacturing industry. What I can do, I can just give a prompt in ZI. Like I want a manufacturing application.
Okay.
Suppose if I want to add some my particular models like quality check, inspection, work orders and all. If I just name this one departments, it will create an application with models with dashboards.
Okay, so I think everyone will be interested to know how this process flow happens. So we will skip to the live demonstration. So over to that.
So here, just click on the create solution. Then we can see there's a create using Zia. Then click on the create button. Just provide the prompt. Suppose today I'm going to create a manufacturing like application. Okay, so I will give the prompt manufacturing management application. Then with some details like with modules. So I'm just giving the modules name here. So first one for production. Then we have the inventory. Okay. Then we have the quality check, that is QC. Then we have the maintenance. And at the last we have dispatch. Okay. I'll just click on the enter button. So as you can see, it is started working. Okay. Then it is creating the use cases now. The data model will be ready within seconds. So it is just generating the data model. So you can see it is ready. Then what I will do, I will check the modules names and I will click on create application button. It will start creating the application. First we had the use cases. Next it is creating the application components, that is forms, reports, dashboards. Okay, as you can see on the left panel. Then the application layout. Okay. Once the use case and application component is ready, it will move forward for the next step. So it is working on the background. We don't need to do anything. So it is creating. So we have a lot of forms and reports, right? So then we have the user permissions like customers, vendors, suppliers. So it is creating the user permissions now. So you can see the schedulers. Okay. So permissions, because like for the every components we need permission, right? For that it was creating a permission. Now we have the main part, that is the blueprint. Okay.
Okay.
So like it is to ensure the proper sequence of the business flow. So it will not. It is like for business flow we need a blueprint, right? It should work accordingly.
Okay.
That's why we have a blueprint. Now you can see our application is ready.
Okay.
We will just access the application. So here we have the first thing, we have the dashboard. It has given some dummy data, okay, for better understanding.
Okay, I will stop you right here. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Now we see this dashboard right here.
Yes.
We did not personally design this dashboard.
Yes.
For
Yes,
Zia,
like
or is it something that Zia usually uses this design? This layout?
No. It depends. Okay, it depends on the prompt actually. So like what we are doing here, we have taken the manufacturing operations. Okay, manufacturing application. According to our input, we have the models. We have the set of records. Okay, it has taken the set of records and it has given some components in the dashboard. Okay.
Okay.
So what will happen? It is not like it is fixed. If we want, we can keep this. If we don't want this, even we can modify this part.
Okay.
Okay. So it has given just a set of components, like main things, what we need in a manufacturing unit, that it has given now. So so this is the dashboards. Okay.
Okay.
So now I think you're clear about the dashboards. Next we'll go for the forms.
Okay.
So you can see there's a quality inspection form, then a report for it.
Okay.
So whatever the data you are seeing, it's just a dummy data given by the Zia AI.
Okay.
For your better understanding.
Okay.
And here we have the detailed view of the record.
Okay.
So you can see everything here. Okay. If you want, still you can modify this.
Okay.
So we'll close this and we go for the form. Okay. We'll create a record here. So just give a product name here for just to demonstrate, like test. Then we have the batch number. Then we have the inspection date. Okay.
Okay.
Then this is the inspected is coming from the employee master data. It is a lookup field. Then we can give a defect count. This is just a test data, remember. Then we are giving the pass or fail details here. Then inspection time, incoming, outgoing, in progress. If you have comments, you can give it here. Then production schedule, okay, we can give. Then we'll submit this record. As you can see, the record has been created here.
Okay.
Okay. Then we'll look after all the other listen models, like maintenance. So this is on view. Then we have production line. Then we have the equipments, dispatch order, work center. So this is one view, Kanban view. So we have the employees, suppliers, customers. All the master data we have recorded here. So everything has been created using Zia AI. We have not done anything. Okay. So we have the dummy data is here. Then we go back to the dashboards.
I think it was pretty self-explanatory. Like, it was easy to understand. Like, should I ask anything more?
If you want to ask, you can ask.
I don't know what to ask. I understood it.
Right. That's what I told you. You can understand easily. That's why Zia AI comes.
After seeing the video, it's like very easy to understand.
Yes.
I didn't have to think much because, as you said, there's a form. You just have to fill the form. Whatever data is added, it comes into the dashboard.
That's what. Even I think you don't have any questions also.
Yeah, I don't have any questions. So I think we can end the episode right here, right now. I hope the audience learned something new. If you have any questions, please drop it down in the comments below. We will continue this series of building no-code apps using Zia AI. So that is it for today's episode. Next episode, what do you think we will be covering?
So I guess in the next episode, with using this Zia AI, we'll integrate the application from one application to another application without doing any single code.
Okay, so I think that's an interesting topic to be covered. Hope to see you all in the next episode. Until then, see you. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video to anyone who runs a small business, who's looking to build for their own business without actually investing in a developer. Stay tuned. Until next time, see you. This is Alan. That is
Akash.
Bye-bye.